Guys, I got another shipment from Ukraine. I was so excited that I already opened it. This is really cool. So this is a Russian issue sniper rifle case. Now, if you don't know what a Russian issue means, I meant Russian military issue. So the Russian government, military in this case, paid for it and gave it to some soldier. As you can see, the case is quite long and I can fit my Dragunov rifle in here no problem. This is obviously been captured by Ukrainian soldiers from the Russian military, and I will show you all the quirks and features of this case. Speaking of which, I believe this is a Ratnik. So Ratnik means soldier in Russian, like an ancient Russian word that's not used anymore. So, which one of the benefits of Ratnik fabric is that it's fireproof. Speaking of which, here is a military issue stamp. I have no idea what this does. There's a little metal clip right here. By the clip, there's some kind of accessory pouch. Accessory pouch is empty. There's a piece of leather right here, and I can't find anything. It doesn't open or anything. I don't know what it's for. There's a similar piece right on the other side. Some kind of strap or a handle. Who knows? This looks like a rifle. You put your rifle barrel through it, which sort of makes sense because it's on the other side of the case. So there's this stitching that's holding whatever this is. This is the first time I'm actually looking at this. Well, I think I'll try to cram my bayonet into here. So it's supposed to hold something. This is an accessory pouch, I believe. Yes, it is. Full of sand. I believe this is accessory pouch too, right here. So the whole thing is like a backpack style construction. This is nice metal, so it's adjuster. So you can make it shorter or longer. This one is shorter than the other one. Another thing, maybe for a belt or something, who knows. Here is the other side, and believe me, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I opened it in my car from excitement. Tried to impress the mailman, because I know the mailman. Okay, alright. So apparently these straps or these cables hook into here on a plastic thinner. So I guess it'll be easier to close it at the range or something. Or you can probably strap maybe like a piece of fabric. Probably not. And another accessory pouch full of sand. Nothing interesting on the top. Let me get a nice sunlight. Big fat zipper. Looks like one of those fat zippers that are gonna last you a long time. And dorožka, or the line, zipper line, doesn't have any damage. So this has a secret feature, or something I found that's quite disturbing. So this is a surprise at the end. So I don't know how many of you know the smell of smoked bacon. Well, this case has this pretty uncanny smell of smoked bacon. Except it's the kind of smell that you would see maybe like in a hospital, or hate to say it, old folks home. It smells like death. If any of you are interested in conquistadors, when the Spanish introduced pigs into Mexico, the locals said pig smells like human, or tastes like human. So this fireproof case, the owner probably burned to death. Quite disturbing. About 90% of all the casualties in the Ukrainian war are from the artillery. And most likely the sniper who was using this case was probably shot with Ukrainian artillery. So I don't see any holes from artillery shells, like fragments. So he could have been inside of a car or something. But there is sand all over it. So most likely there's videos of Russians just full of slain Russian in trenches. This is probably was one of those Russians, and it has a quite disturbing smell to it. So this is why I'm actually doing a review outside. Hey little bunny, what are you doing? Okay, so this is my Russian Dragunov rifle. Fits perfectly in the case. Has a slightly shorter barrel, but my American purchase case, this would stick out. So I had to put like a sock on top of the barrel. It's nice, since I speak Ukrainian, I was able to buy this for $100, which is less than many Chinese cases in US. So Ivan used this for evil, and a case came over to the bright side of the capitalist West. It's now serving me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and if you have any ideas for content or you want to see something, ask down below. Or is there something you don't like and want me to do better? Also, give me some feedback. Thank you so much. Have a great day.